In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable NordVPN. We'll walk through turning off your active VPN connection and stopping the app from launching automatically when your computer starts. I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so you know exactly what each action does. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your Windows computer. If it isn't on your taskbar, you can find it from the Start menu by typing its name and launching it. Once the app is open, look to the left side panel and click the globe icon labeled VPN. This takes you to the main connection screen where you can control your current session. Here you'll see options to pause or fully disconnect. Pausing is a temporary stop, helpful if you just need a quick break from the VPN, while disconnecting ends the VPN session completely until you choose to reconnect. Go ahead and select Pause Connection if you only want a short interruption. If a duration prompt appears, that's normal. To fully disable the VPN, click Disconnect. After disconnecting, the status should indicate you're not connected, and the main button will typically read something like Quick Connect. That's your confirmation that traffic is now using your regular internet connection instead of the VPN. Next, let's make sure NordVPN doesn't start automatically. Move to the top right corner of the app and click the profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. In the Settings area, select the General tab. This section controls core behavior of the app, including whether it launches when Windows starts. Find the option called Launch the app at Windows Startup. Toggle this setting to Off. Turning this off prevents the app from opening itself the moment your computer boots, which also helps avoid it reconnecting when you're not expecting it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, approve it so the setting can be saved. That's all you need to fully disable NordVPN. You open the app, use the VPN panel to pause or disconnect, and then switch off the automatic startup in Settings under General. If your interface looks slightly different, make sure your NordVPN app is up to date. The labels may vary slightly, but the controls will be in the same places. When you're ready to use NordVPN again, simply open the app, toggle Launch at Startup back on if you prefer, and click the main Connect button to reestablish a secure tunnel. Until then, you're fully disconnected and the app won't run at startup.